Come test drive the 2023 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, fog lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Want to make buying your new car faster, easier, and more enjoyable? You've come to the right place. That's because you can now calculate your payments, value your trade-in, and even apply for financing right here through our secure website on every device you use. This simple online experience means that once you get to the dealership, you'll be able to review and sign your deal quickly and more confidently. So give it a try, because it's time to buy cars the new way, your way.